uncover the wondrous fabric of Tampines. Welcome to the Tapestry.
Nature abounds all around, bringing together friends from all threads of life. Lovingly stitched with gems of wisdom, the Tapestry is the ideal canvas for your family. With diverse conveniences scattered all around, the Tapestry is sure to fulfill your every desire. Weave effortlessly through life with some Swedish meatballs, down giant hallways, or with a little personal time in the pool. Work and fun interlace, making sure joy and laughter is never far away. Within minutes to all your needs, the Tapestry welcomes you to the next chapter of your life.
Visit the Tapestry and let's start your wonderful journey today.